Good morning, it's Sunday. June and I are going to go do our coffee run. It's gonna be a busy day. Have to dig up some sweet potatoes, clean up the garden, do some more meal prep. It's gonna be a good long day. Yesterday we did 20.5 and oh my effing quads. I was having trouble sitting down last night. My quads hurt so bad. We started, well, better yet, I started just fully flooring the garage with gym matting. I had some set out, which I thought I had more than I did until I went from end to end on the garage, and so we got to go get more of the stall mats for that. It's gonna be a busy day. Let's get on the road, go do this coffee run, see you when we go out back. All right. Alright, today, this Sunday, gotta clean this up. It's getting pretty unruly. I gotta pick the rest of whatever peppers we have. And then, for the grand finale this morning, gonna dig up all the sweet potatoes. This should be interesting. It's supposed to get really cold next couple days. Gotta pull in some plants, do that whole nine. So let's start with the garden cleanup, and we'll go from there. Okay, got a lot of the garden cleaned up. Still have to blow it out, but started on the sweet potatoes. Got all the greenery. Man, look at this. Already pulling up sweet potatoes. Only problem I have is I got ants that decided to move in. Makes me wonder if I should have waited a little longer. All right, put the gloves in. Let's see how many sweet potatoes we got. All right. From the second box. This is from the first. Still got the third left. All right, got one box left. So I don't think we have as much as I did last year, but we'll see. We'll see what this third box has to hold, but still have a lot. All right, let's get to it. Holy crap, I had to go get another basket because I was concerned about the second bed or the third bed not having a lot. Look at this. Look at that. So we got a few sweet potatoes. All right, time to put them into this other basket and weigh them. See what we got for the year. Whew, my fingers hurt digging in that dirt. Got compacted. All right. Wow, that ended up being 71 pounds. I think that was a little less than last year, but I think I've learned a few more things. Every year I grow them, I seem to pick up a little tip here and there, so. Man, my fingers hurt. All right, time to eat lunch, and then going to Lowe's, and then I gotta go to Tractor Supply to get some more first all mats for the flooring, and then I'm gonna call it a Sunday. 18.5 yesterday. I will say I was 15 reps short. The muscle ups were good. The wall balls are fine. The rowing was really easy. In fact, I got finished with the rowing first, but I ended up being 1 wall ball short and 14 muscle ups from finishing. But I haven't been practicing the muscle ups as much as I should. But since I have them in the garage, I'll probably spend more time, and it just worked out. I was hoping to finish it. I'll probably try it again. And I didn't say this, but this week I redid 20.4, but at the scaled weight, and I got much closer. Oh well, let's go eat, move on. Didn't make too bad a time. Got them all loaded. Now I gotta head to Lowe's, pick up what I need at Lowe's. Need some sand. I think we're gonna need a 2x10. Got a new rack coming this week. Wish I could say this would do it for the floor matting, but it's not, since I decided to do the entire floor of the gym. But every step, every little step, maybe in a couple months I'll have it all done. These things keep getting more and more expensive. And then the drive across town. So let me pay attention to the road and see you at the house. Why I rarely clean my car, because I'm always hauling crap in it. Alright, let's lay these mats out. Alright, last thing on the list for the day. I gotta clean up my mess. Floors in the garage. Only need 2 more pieces. So that's good. So let me put these things back up. I'm trying to keep her out of it. Been a busy day. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Hit that like and subscribe button, maybe the little bell if you want to see another video. See you next time.